and welcome back to a magical video. Today we're going to be unboxing Harumika. Harumika is the fashion design kit for kids with 10 unique and fun themes to choose from, featuring the very latest trends and 2 bridal sets. No need for a needle, thread, glue and scissors. Each kit comes with a complete everything a mini fashionista needs to design their own creation. Everything in this kit is reusable. How amazing is that, guys? All the kits include torsos, sticks, pins, mannequins, fabrics and ribbons. Make your own stunning fashion designs. Wrap fabrics around the mannequin torso, secure using the style lock system. Let's get styling! Whoa, look at this, guys! This is outstanding. I love all of this. Super amazing. Guys, as you can see, we've got a stick, a mannequin and a fabric. So we're going to turn around our mannequin. We're going to add the fabric. Then after, we're going to get our stick and press it inside. Whoa, look guys, look at our dress. It's beautiful. And guys, if you want an accessory, you can add one of these pins. Let's add them. How cool is this? Follow the easy instruction, fashion tutorials, or your own imagination. Wow, what a lovely fabric, and it's super soft. Let's see what I'm going to create. Super beautiful, love it. Design the next one. Guys, I feel like I'm a real fashion designer. Time for the catwalk. Are you ready to open Cosmic Kawaii? Let's get started. Whoa, look at the colours, guys. It's super magical and really lovely. Simple, easy and creative. How creative you can be with layering, folding and twisting. Whoa, this colour is gorgeous. Huh? Adding a pin. Huh? Sweet. Oh, blue. A new style every time. Whoa, guys, look at their outfits. We have a pink with little sheep. And look, and we have this beautiful blue, magnificent. Huh? Love it. Let's add the little belt. So cute, right? Whoa, look guys, look at that outfit. Oh my god, I'm speechless. This is, whoa, so cool, guys. Last but not least, girl power. Woo! Ready for the fashion show? Okay, enjoy the show. Guys, you can create so many designs and they're super different, and that's what I love about them. This is really amazing, guys. Style your imagination. Harumika is available at Smith Toy Superstores. I hope you liked my video. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye everyone!